Okay, so we're here at Henry's Photo Fiesta. We will check out some deals here since we need an upgrade for our mic. So we will check Holyland booth later. And we will check also small rig since the one that we've bought yesterday, pwede natin siyang gamitin for our other shots. But in terms of carrying the C80 and attach it to somewhere else, we need a better payload or better support of payload na magic arm, which is we will check later kung available. I saw it online and let's inquire later. And also the HDMI coiled cable, we'll try that out. So very exciting moments. There are a lot of workshops, free workshops, and also different deals and some discounts here. So worth checking out. One of the reasons why I'm here is to line up for the free camera cleaning ni Canon. So I have my EOS R and the RF24 to 105. That's the reason why I'm using the 50mm right now. One of the reason also that I took this shot is to personally thank Jason and Apple, who's behind the camera, holding the camera right now, for this free coffee. So we've attended the Photo Fiesta 2025 this year, and a lot of discounts, freebies, and also activities inside the Henry's Photo Fiesta event. And I can say that you should attend this kind of events to see if there are equipment that you can buy on set, and if you're planning to buy it in the future, you might want to buy that inside the event because there's a lot of really good discounts and deals and also freebies from Henry's camera. So we've enjoyed a lot. We've met a lot of friends, familiar faces in the event, and I want to stay a little bit longer, but there's a lot of things that we need to do today. There's a lot of things that we need to attend to and errands that we need to do. So we've ended up going home early. But I really miss those friends that I've met. A special shout out to Ninong Edwin Martinez who did a talk earlier. It's really nice talk. I've learned a lot. And that's it because Henry's is focusing not just by selling but also giving value to us consumers. They've offered a lot of free workshops inside their event. So please guys visit Photo Fiesta 2025. And that's it. We're here now outside. It's going to be like 11:15 p.m. We will just wrap up our day tonight. And that's it. Thank you so much and see you on our next one.